Removes black spots from the neck, elbow and armpits in 25 minutes with this natural remedy. Black spots on the neck, elbow and armpits are very common to see in a large number of people. At first glance we cannot deny that they do not look very well aesthetically, but what many do not know is that this has nothing to do with the hygiene of the person. Often this type of stains are given by the misuse of products that we use daily. If you are one of the people with dark spots on the neck, elbow or armpits, here we will give you an incredible natural remedy that will take effect in a very short time. To eliminate dark spots successfully, we must follow a routine that consists of 3 steps. 1. Surface cleaning. Begin this cosmetic treatment with the surface cleaning of the area to be treated. If you have done any other treatment, you will know that we should always start by preparing the skin. Take a clean cloth and moisten it with warm water. Clean with the area of the spots you want to remove. Then dry the moistened skin. 2. Deep cleaning. Then we will clean the area more deeply. For this we will need 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon baking soda. Elaboration: place all ingredients in a bowl. Mix until a homogeneous paste is obtained. Apply it in areas of dark spots. Let it act for about 20 minutes. Then remove it with warm water. 3. Whitening of the skin. Finally we will do the whitening, and for this we will need 2 tablespoons of clay, juice of half a lemon, skim milk, quantity needed. Process: mix the clay very well with the milk. Then add the lemon juice and continue mixing. Apply the solution to remove dark spots in the same place where you placed the previous prescription. Let it act for about 15 minutes and remove it with warm water.